Netra Mantenna and Vamsi Gadiraju's billionaire royal wedding enters grand finale. Global icons gather in Udaipur. Udaipur is witnessing a spectacle unlike anything seen before as billionaire heiress Netra Mantenna and entrepreneur Vamsi Gadiraju enter the grand finale of their wedding celebrations today. The 4-day destination wedding running from November 21 to 24 has transformed the city of Lake into the epicenter of global luxury and stardom, making it unquestionably the biggest wedding of 2025. Netra, the daughter of US-based billionaire industrialist Ramaraju Mantenna and Padmaja Mantenna, is tying the knot in a celebration spread across City Palace, Jagmandir Island Palace and Taj Lake Palace, where royal Mewari traditions blend seamlessly with cutting-edge production design, high-tech staging and world-class entertainment. The Haldi ceremony at Taj Lake Palace and the Mehendi celebrations on November 22 have concluded, paving the way for today's grand wedding ceremony at Jagmandir, followed by a glittering reception tonight. Chartered flights have been landing continuously over the past 48 hours as the guest list reads like a global who's who. Donald Trump Jr. arrived with a 126-member delegation from nearly 40 countries, reflecting the Mantenna family's international stature. Bollywood superstars including Hrithik Roshan, Ranveer Singh, Shahid Kapoor, Karan Johar, Varun Dhawan, Kriti Senan, Nora Fatehi, Jacqueline Fernandez, Janhvi Kapoor, Madhuri Dixit, Dia Mirza, Sophie Chaudhary and many others have already joined the festivities. The Sangeet ceremony turned into one of the biggest viral highlights of the event. Nora Fatehi's sensational belly dance performance stole the evening, sending social media into a frenzy. Wearing a golden blouse paired with a black sequin skirt and boots, Nora mesmerized the audience with her electrifying performance to Dance Meri Rani. The star-studded evening also featured Kriti Senan on Param Sundari and Jacqueline Fernandez on Lal Pari, along with high-octane acts from Varun Dhawan, Shahid Kapoor and Janhvi Kapoor. Adding further fuel to the global spotlight, Hollywood megastar Jennifer Lopez joined the lavish Mantenna wedding with Justin Bieber, Black Coffee, Cirque du Soleil and DJ Aman Nagpal also part of the entertainment lineup. The final night is expected to deliver one of the most extravagant live performance shows ever witnessed at a wedding. Meanwhile, Udaipur remains under high-end security with central security agencies and rapid response team deployed across the city. With every heritage hotel and luxury resort booked to capacity, the wedding has also triggered a massive surge in Udaipur's hospitality and tourism revenue. The entire celebration from planning to showrun has been curated and produced by luxury wedding visionaries Witchcraft Weddings led by Andre Timmins and Virav Sarkari, who have transformed the Mantenna family wedding into an unmatched blend of grandeur, sculpture and immersive spectacle. As the world watches the grand ceremony and reception unfold tonight, one truth is already established. Netra Mantenna and Vamsi Gadiraju's union is not just a wedding, but a global culture phenomenon that has redefined what luxury celebrations look like in India.